Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Sakram. So, today we are going to see a characterization of being a normal subgroup. So, let's see a subgroup. If H is subgroup of if H is a subgroup of G, we denote it by H like this. Okay. And if H is a normal subgroup of a group G, then we denote it by H like this. Okay. So so you can say its theorem. A subgroup H of a group G is normal in G if and only if G inverse HG is equal to H for all G belongs to G. It means what does it mean? H is normal subgroup of G if and only if G inverse HG is equal to H for all G belongs to G. Let's see its proof. So let H be a normal subgroup in G. Okay. Then what we have? We have HG is equal to GH for all G belongs to G. Okay. So we have G inverse HG is equal to G inverse GH. By associativity, we can always write like this way, and this is identity, and this is going to be H for all G belongs to G. So that means G inverse HG is equal to H for all G belongs to G. Okay. Now conversely, let G inverse HG is equal to H for all G belongs to G. So then what we can have? So multiplicating G both the side from the left, what will get? Okay. So that means by associativity we can always write like this way. So this is what is this? EHG. So this is Hg is equal to Gh. For all G belongs to G. So this implies H is normal in G. So it is proved. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any comment related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will see you for next lecture.